Good day. Today I will show you how you can use the PatientXpress recall button. You just need to click on the Recall button to open the Recalls tab. Once you're on the Recalls tab, you can start editing the filters that are showed on the screen. Feel free to adjust the filter based on the recall patients you wish to list. Once you have applied the filters, make sure to click on the Search Patients button. You can also use the sub-filters if you wish to filter the first collected results according to their recall type. Once you are satisfied with the filters you have applied, you can now go ahead and select what type of message and template you wish for this communication to your patients. Once done, select the patients that you wish to send the recall to, or you can also select all by clicking the button showed above. Once you have selected the patients, you can now go ahead and click on the Send Recall, and that is it. That is how you can utilize our recall button on PatientXpress. Thank you so much for watching.
See you on the next video.